Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your CAC and PKI certificates are valid and your card reader is plugged in. This avoids access delays. Once the hardware works, connect to the Corp network or engage your VPN if you're remote. Now log into Nsips, navigate directly to the RED/DA module, and load the target service member's record. Make sure you have authorization level required. If not, request delegation. Begin with the existing data displayed so you don't overwrite current entries. You'll now enter edit mode and update the specific fields, status codes, effective dates, and any remarks that explain the change. As you type, use the save draft function frequently so you don't lose work. Nsips will flag missing required fields, so address those prompts before final save. Once edits are saved, validate values against original source documents such as orders or finance memos to ensure consistency. If numbers mismatch, resolve at the source before moving forward. You finish by finalizing the update and routing it for requisite approvals. Capture the confirmation ID and timestamp for tracking. After routing, run an audit report and export a PDF snapshot to attach to the member's record and your local logs. If the transaction fails, stop and troubleshoot. Clear browser cache, re-authenticate your CAC, and confirm your Nsips role permissions. If issues persist, escalate with the help desk, including the confirmation ID and error message for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.